How to use Microsoft Rewards. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Microsoft Rewards, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your Microsoft Rewards, all you have to do is simply open up your browser depending upon which browser you use, and here you can simply search for Microsoft Rewards on the browser. As you do that, you'll find this link that says welcome to Microsoft Rewards -Bing. So you just tap on that option. As you do that, here you can see get on board with Microsoft Rewards. Now first tap the sign in button and make sure to sign into your Microsoft account, and after you've done that you should be able to redeem your Microsoft Reward right from this particular page. So go to your browser, search for Microsoft Reward, tap on this link and then log into your Microsoft account, and you should be good to go from there on. This way you can use your Microsoft Rewards. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.